Why, hello, welcome back. This is Nate, and this is a Pokemon Sword and Shield Fusion Strike unboxing. This finale of this series is going to be a multiple part series, mini sub-series, I guess you could call that, because of how many packs there are in this box set, and you can probably guess how, yeah. And yes, this is going to be finale. Hope you enjoy. Once I get this box open, I'll decide how many videos there will be, and you'll find out shortly. So in this box, you can see how many packs there are. So there is approximately 36 packs. So let's see. Let's divide this into 3 episodes of 12 packs each, and so yes, we'll start with the first 12 packs in this episode, and we'll finish the rest of the packs in the next 2 episodes. Please subscribe and like the video so then we can have more of these videos, possibly, at some point. Also, I'm using the Zacian, what's that thing called again? The Zacian Elite Trainer Box Plus sleeves. So, there's that, too. So yes, let's get started. And I will not be announcing what cards I get this time, just because of the sake of time. Of course, I'll announce what cards I get if they are the specialty cards. So, for instance, like, it's not GXs in this, Z cards, no, wait, is that Z card? V cards. Z. A Reverse Hollow Smeagol, SWSH, and then a Bulltown VMAX. I think this might be far, but I don't think so. So let's crack open these sleeves. And as you can tell, it has the special interior color, and it's the Zacian sleeves. This fits in nicely. So let's put that off to the side. Move on to the next pack. I know I'm talking less in this video compared to the last couple, but hopefully you guys still enjoy. Let alone just seeing what cards I get. So yes, water energy. And Vikavolt to end off that pack. Reverse Hollow Golem, and then Ballistic. So far, we've gone one good card out of the first couple of packs, which is okay, but let's see if we can get better. I hope your holidays have been going well. If not, good luck and best hopes to you. And also, because of when this video is going to be released, Happy New Year to y'all. Okay, this one's starting off with a grass energy, or a leaf, or whatever you want to call it. Reverse Hollow Caterpie, and an Electrode. Let's see, starting off with an electric energy, Barraskewda. Okay. I wasn't sure if Hollow Landorus. Nice. I am waiting for the Legend Arceus to release. I don't think I'm going to do a playthrough of that recorded, but if I figure out how to, I possibly could. Yeah. I know that the Diamond Pearl remakes have been released already, so hopefully they were good to whoever actually played them or has them. Reverse Hollow Skitter's Park, and a Zero Aura. We're down to the last 3 packs of this video. Again, I request for you guys to subscribe and like this video. Now, of course, it's nothing compared to, like, the main YouTubers that are in the millions, but Water Energy. But hopefully this content that I'm producing is sufficient and y'all like it. If not, then so be it. Reverse Hollow Galarian Berserker, and a Hollow Grimmsnarl. Second to last pack. And also thank y'all for watching so much. To the viewers out there. Dark Energy. Reverse Hollow Togedemaru, and a Genesect V. This is a nice one. It's not a full art or something like that, but it's decent. I like it. We're reaching about 10 minutes now. This video will be done shortly. And we're on to our last pack. To start off, we have Grass Energy, SWSH, Sydney, Battle VIP Pass, Slugma, Skitty, Phalanx, Cheetle, Volby, Reverse Hollow Toxicity, and Azumarill. Now, that is all for the packs for this video. Let's just do a quick summary of all the cards that we have gotten in this video. We have, well, not all the cards, but all the best ones. A Hollow Grimmsnarl, Single Strike, Hollow Landorus, Full Art, maybe Full Art, could be just a normal Bloodhound V Max, and a Genesect V. Now, thank you all for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and there will be 2 more parts to this mini sub-series in Pokemon Sword and Shield Fusion Strike. Thank you, and goodbye.